together, hearts that beat as one through the stormy weather.
Hey, really quick guys, I want to tell you about these really cool t-shirts I will have available soon with a minimum donation. Please support my channel and pick one up. They are pretty awesome. I'll put links in the description below when these are available. Hello everyone, welcome to Southwest Venturer, where I explore amazing places in the American Southwest. Please take a moment guys and hit the like and subscribe button to support my channel. I thank you so much. That will help me tremendously. In this video, I visit the Rio Grande Gorge Bridge located northwest of Taos, New Mexico. This bridge is a definite must-see if you are in the vicinity of Taos. It is listed as the 7th highest bridge in the United States, and I will be exploring the route that comes off Highway 285. There are some neat spots as you approach the town of Tres Piedras, and from there you will head west towards the bridge. I did encounter some cool animals taking this route, including some alpaca, even a baby one, some very quick ground squirrels in the area, and the definite coolest thing I saw was this tarantula. We actually saw some more on the road too. So bighorn sheep also wander the area, so keep a lookout for them. Oh wait, what? Also cattle mutilations, I guess. It was very neat on this route to see these pretty elaborate earth homes like I've never seen. Very cool windows on some of these. So there is a rest area that is very nice before you cross the bridge in this direction. It's about 20 minutes from Highway 285. It also has a hiking trail, and it kind of has some mixed reviews, so I did not walk it. But it's an option if you would like to see more of the gorge or wildlife. There is also usually some vendors here selling numerous things including jewelry and art. There are some very cool lookout spots around the rest area, including these awesome covered picnic tables that have great views of the bridge and the canyon. It is definitely worth it to check this out. I was pretty impressed. This bridge is actually in a number of films, including Terminator Salvation, Vacation, Paul, and Wild Hogs. So look out in those movies to see if you spot it. Definitely be careful around the edges of this canyon, especially at these lookouts. It actually has very loose rocks and pretty far drops. It can also get pretty windy, so beware of sudden gusts of wind as well. Making your way out to the bridge is not very straightforward. There is no marked trail. It is sad to see a number of memorials before you get onto the sidewalk. So you have to kind of just make it to this guardrail and get over it to reach the sidewalk. Be aware that it is kind of a narrow walkway, and the vehicles seem very close as they drive by, and it actually kind of rattles the bridge. But you do get some great views out there. So they do have a number of phones here on the bridge as a lifeline for people, so that's good. The actual height of the bridge is kind of conflicting, but they place it anywhere from around 550 feet to around 650 feet. On the other end of the bridge is this plaque that is cool to see, stating that it won the most beautiful bridge of the long span category. So it does have this award. That's pretty neat about it. I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe to support me as a digital creator, and I will keep making more great videos. Please enjoy the remainder of the video and some great drone footage of this bridge. Thanks for watching.
feel the resting leaves. Every heart is racing, ice and the blue. Freedom's out there waiting, calling me new. We're flying so high, touching the sky, rising like a dawn. Together we're strong. Tied together, hearts that beat as one. Through the stormy weather, chasing down the sun. Never stop believing, we're unstoppable. Wings of fire beating, so remarkable. We're flying so high, touching the sky, rising like a dawn. Together we're strong. Tied together, hearts that beat as one. Through the stormy weather, chasing down the sun. Never stop believing, we're unstoppable. Wings of fire beating, so remarkable. We're flying so high, touching the sky, rising like a dawn. Together we're strong.
Live now, window into the sunlight, whispers in the breeze. Dreams start to take flight, feel the rustling leaves. Every heart is racing, eyes set on the blue. Freedom's out there waiting, calling me and you. We're flying so high, touching the sky, rising like a dawn. Together we're strong. Hands held tight together, hearts that